All right. So we're gonna change this plug right here. Is a, how do we call it? This is the, I think it's a head cam plug. All right. This is the plug we're gonna change because it's leaking oil. You can see there's a, well, I already changed the, I already washed the motor because it was full of oil, so I washed it real good to make sure where this leaking was coming from. And I just noticed that the leaking was coming from here, from this plug. So we're gonna change this plug. Now to change this plug, I had to take these out to have more room to work on it. So I got a 12 millimeter bolt nut in here and a 12 millimeter nut in here. So got these off, that way I can work on it. Okay, all right. Once I got these off, then it's easier for me to work on it. All right.
Papi, yo no quiero que te suche, yo no quiero.
Okay. All right, so I got this nut out of there. The other nut here. Put this back in here so I don't lose them. Right, one here. By the way, this is a 2003 Honda Civic, 1.7 liter. So I guess get this out. Just need to pry this up. Pry this here a little bit. Heel a little bit here. And that's it. You can see a little bit of oil coming out. Not much. But here, this cup has an O-ring on it. So I can just replace the O-ring and that would be okay. If I can change the oil ring, we should be okay. So I don't need to change the cup. I just need to change the oil ring, which is this one here. Okay, you can see this flat. See if you can zoom in and see. It's flat right here. It shouldn't be flat with the grooves up. This side you can see pop up a little bit. You can see it's up the groove a little bit, and this side is flat. That's why it was leaking through here. So I'm gonna change the oil ring. Okay. This here. Okay. Okay. Bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna change the oil ring. So all you need is a really small screwdriver or whatever you have, something small to pull these out. All right, we're pulling this out. There we go, we got it out. Here's the new one. Okay, the new one in, easy, just same procedure. Start it, just drive it in. All right. Okay. Stop it, please. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease here, just a little bit, so it's easier for it to go in. Go in the move it up a little bit. All right, good. Now we can just plug it in. All right. I try not to break this leg, because that's what holds it in place. So gotta be patient. And there you go. Now we just push it in. There you go. Okay. Now it's all the way in. And that should stop the leak. That should stop the leak. Alright. The reason why I removed the back cover, is because I also gonna change the gasket here just to be safe. But not, you don't need to take the back cover off to change that seal, that cup. But I did it just to be safe and change the gasket right away. Right? So long.